told me once you'd be mine alone forever, and I'd be yours till the end of eternity. But all those vows are broken now, and I will never be the same except in memory. Remember me when the candle lights are gleaming. Remember me at the close of a long, long day. And it would be so sweet when all alone I'm dreaming, just to know you still remember me. Remember me, Gary. Brighter face may take my place when we're apart, dear. Another love with a heart more bold and free. But in the end, fair weather friends may break your heart, dear. And if they do, sweetheart, remember me. Remember me when the candle lights are gleaming. Remember me at the close of a long, long day. It would be so sweet when all alone I'm dreaming, just to know you still remember me. Come. Remember me when the candle lights are gleaming. Remember me at the close of a long, long day. It would be so sweet when all alone I'm dreaming, just to know you still remember me, just to know you still remember me.
Well, remember us, Carmine's Country Corner.
All right.
Every week for an hour. I call it fun country music. We're up here at Bob Smith Toyota. And Paul, did you have a good week?
Yes, I did.
Was it decent?
Well, last week I was playing a concert up in Davis.
Yeah, we missed
that
you.
was
Yeah,
fun,
we
and
had
I
Bob
missed
on
you.
bass. It was a good gig. We had fun.
Yeah, and then got back and had a very nice week.
Good.
Nothing special.
So I'm watching, I don't know what I was watching. I was watching TV this afternoon and the phone rings, and it's our good friend JD. And he says, hey, you doing your show tomorrow? I said, no, I'm doing it today. He said, well, then can I come up today? I said, well, you can come up tomorrow if you want, but when nobody's going to be there. So he brought his beautiful wife, Luane, with him. And JD, thank you for calling. Thanks for coming up. We got a bonus. We got a steel player, and not a bad one, you know, which is pretty cool. Thank you, JD. We love you. Anyway, and Swan, how's it going?
I am fine.
Okay.
That's right.
Now, last week we had Lily, I'm thinking of my granddaughter. She came over, visited with us this morning. We got Nellie last week and the dog up, Lily and Dottie, the dog. And we
Nellie
brought
and
them up
Dottie.
and introduced them. It was kind of fun. And you dressed very nice today too, Nellie, but last week was superb. Hey, could you, Dan, come and move this monitor back or lower, do something. It's feeding back just a little bit. Help me out. And Palmer.
Yeah, baby.
I like the curl.
You know, that's an accident.
That was an
I
accident?
didn't want to tell JD that because I know how important the hair is. But it's still, I just had to go with it. I just say, you know what?
You got to leave it.
I didn't intend that to happen. That was not enough.
JD
gel.
was walking out of the house with that same haircut,
Yeah.
and he said, "Man, I don't know."
You know, when
Yeah.
something like that happens, you just let it go because it was like it was meant to be. You know, you waited all these years. But I got to tell you, the reason I don't do that is because I have no hair in that portion of my head to be able to do that.
Yeah, but you remember, like,
But
the
you look
Lollipop
great.
Kids from the Wizard of Oz, they had it kind of going
Oh,
on
yeah.
back there. Kind of had that little curl going on back there.
Yeah,
I thought,
well,
they
you
were
know.
gonna start something back
Well,
there,
those days are gone. But anyway, you look great. All right, Paul,
Yes.
let's do another one,
Okay.
and then we'll go from there.
All right. Let's.
Oh,
do,
we have our friend from Australia who came in. And how do you say his name, JD?
David Rogerson.
David.
David
David?
Rogers.
I didn't get the last one, but his first name is David. Rogerson? Roger.
Rogerson.
What? Son. Okay. Roger and his son. No. Yeah, and son. Put them together. Okay. Anyway,
I can't say
David,
his name,
it was
but
nice.
it's Joe Smith.
Thanks for coming up. Dave and I got together a few minutes ago because he plays steel and guitar. And he knows James Burton, so we had a lot in common talking about guitars. He looked at my Rosewood, and he said, "When are you going to fret that thing?" I may never do it, Dave. I might just
I've been
play
ask-
it till it dies. you
I've
know.
been asking him that for 15 years.
Yeah,
I think,
well,
if
you know.
not more. But that's all right.
That's
you know?
okay.
He plays it like he plays it.
The best way I can.
Yeah, man.
So what do you got?
Let's do Dark Hollow in A. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be in some big city in a small room with a girl on my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be here alone, knowing that you're gone would cause me to lose my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Ain't coming back, JD. freight train. Take me farther on down the track. I'm going away. I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Yes, I'm going away. I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. All right. Thank you. Got a nice crowd here tonight.
We do. They keep coming in. We have two special people. First of all, I forgot to mention Frog, or Roy is going to come up and do something with us in a little bit. That's what that guitar and amp is all about. So I want to thank him for coming up. And we just had a very special lady walk in, very close to my heart and my family. She is our family, Marina. I can't even say it. Anyway. Buddy's wife, Marina Sato. Most of you people out there know Buddy. He worked all over with us, and he was a great guy. And we lost him in June. But Marina, you're doing good, honey. I know your family's good, and we love all you guys. You know that. Thanks for coming up. Appreciate it. All right.
Class to join up a little
I
bit.
couldn't even finish it. Do a song. Get me out of this mood I'm in.
Okay. This is tuned by, what's his name, and from that place, One Last Chance.
All right.
One last chance. One last dash dance. One, hey, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. She was standing at the front door. I came home last night. Good book in her left hand, rolling pin in her right. She said, "You come home for the last time. Whiskey on your breath. much coffee for John.
Oh,
You know, you put one little curl in this guy's forehead, and he plays like a madman.
well,
Have you
and,
noticed?
You know, Gary Swan got him all excited.
I know.
You're a USS Swan over here.
Love it.
Jeez.
Swan, you got another one?
Yeah, but I'm scared. This guy
I know.
got me scared. Got me scared now.
Hey, I want to thank all the folks here for coming up, Dr. Kathy and Dr. Teresa and Dave from Australia and who else? Oh, Luanne, of course, and my wife Susie, and thank you, Marina, for coming up, and of course Nellie's here and Roy's here, and my daughter Kim and Dan and the band, and we got a crowd tonight, JD. I'm glad you came up. Good night.
In G.
Okay. And
One for the morning, one for the two. Need to get ready now. Look at the girl. Left my blues with you. You can do anything. Left my blues with you. Knock me down in my face. And my name all over the place. Do anything you wanna do. Honey, lay off them shoes. Step on my blues with you. You can do anything. Off my blues with you. Oh, you can knock me down, get in my face, write my name all over the place. Do anything you wanna do. Honey, lay off of them shoes. Step on my blues with you. You can do anything, lay over my blues with you. Come on, JD. Blue suede shoes. That's give me some of that bass. Oh, that's enough. Don't give me too much. Oh yeah. I think we gotta let John go. He's going crazy, man. Oh no. Come on, JD. 4 drums.
Nice Carl Perkins tune there.
I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. And they said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. And it made a big impression on me, although I was a barefoot kid. And they said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. And I thought he was a hero, used to follow Clayton around. I often wondered why Clayton, who seemed so good to me, he never took that guitar, made it down in Tennessee. J.D. Now my daddy said he drank a lot and I could never understand. I knew we used to pick up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. Clayton used to tell me, son, you better throw that old guitar away, 'cause ain't no money in it, it'll lead you to an early grave. So I guess if I'd admitted old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I could see him half stoned picking out the lovesick blues. And when Clayton died, I made him a promise. I said I'm gonna carry on somehow, and I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Nobody ever knew it, but I went up in the woods and I cried. And I know there's a lot of big preachers that know a lot more than I do, but it could be that the good Lord likes a little picking too. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. That's the end of that. All right. Well, okay, the boss is speaking. Everybody stop. What, Susie? Well, we love Steve. I just saw him last year and played a gig with him. He invited me to play with the band he's in Branson, right outside of Branson, Missouri. Huh? Yeah, it's right near Branson, isn't it? Steve Duncan. Anyway, Steve, we love you. I'm coming through next year again. Maybe we'll come by and see you. Who? Oh, yeah, we got so many people. We can't. All right, these are all the people watching the show on the computer, and my wife feels compelled to say hi back to them. Usually I'll wait till the show's over, I go home, I watch the show, and then I say hi to different people that said hello. Huh? Not today. Not today. Okay, Paul, Who just did one? Oh, I did. Oh, Paul, go ahead.
All right, what am I gonna do?
I thought it was Paul.
Let's do let's do Working Man's Blues. The key of A, not too fast. And by the way, you know the steel player Pete Grant? Remember Pete Grant? So he played with us this last weekend because he lives up in Northern California. So any friends of Pete? He's doing great, and he played with us. We had a real good time. So here we go. Big John is getting by. Well, it's a big job getting by with 3 kids and a wife. But I've been a working man dang near all of my life, and I'll keep on working as long as these 2 hands are fit to use. Well, I drink my beer in the tavern, sing a little bit of these working man blues. Yeah, and I keep my nose to the grindstone, work hard every day. Might get a little tight on the weekend after I draw my pay, but I go back a working. Come a Monday morning, I'm right back with the crew. Yeah, and I drink my beer in the tavern, sing a little bit of these working man blues. Come on, Gary Swan. Yeah, sometimes I think about leaving, maybe do a little bumming around, throw my bills out the window, take a train to another town, but I go back working. I gotta buy my kids a brand new pair of shoes. Yeah, and I'll drink my beer in the tavern, cry a little bit of these working man blues. Hey, hey, you working man like me. Ain't never been on welfare. It's one place I won't be, 'cause I'll go back working. Long as these 2 hands are fit to use. And I'll drink my beer in the tavern, sing a little bit of these working man blues.
So we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. This is Carmine's Country Corner. We got JD on steel, of course, Paul Marshall on bass, John Palmer on drums, and Gary Swan on piano, and Carmine on guitar. And Roy, come on up and sing a song with us. Da-da-da-da-da. Here he comes. Hey, what's that thing you say about Bob Smith?
Oh, Bob Smith, everybody knows he'd give him away, but his wife won't let him.
Hey, what?
You know what?
Oh, good. Well, he's dressed the spirit.
I'll tell you a true story. Tommy Chong gave me his van. It was like, had the 1,000-gallon gas tank and bed and all that in. And his wife said, Tommy, where's the van at? He said, I gave it to Gary. He said, you go get that van right. Made me give it back.
Oh, well. There you go. Oh, Roy's going to use my mic, so here you go, Roy. Tell us what key you're in. We're going to play it.
It's going to be in D. Charlie Daniels, long-haired country boy.
Okay. Heck out of Dodge City, California.
Here, let me get out of Swan's way. We don't want to hide his pretty face.
I don't care about hiding my face. Just don't hit my mic.
Okay, here we go. People say I'm a no good, crazy as a loon. 'Cause I get drunk in the morning and stoned in the afternoon. Kinda like my old blue tick hound, I like to lay around in the shade. I ain't got no money, but I damn sure got it made. And I ain't asking nobody for nothing if I can't get it on my own. If you don't like the way
do one while you're there anyway.
Anywhere. I like,
Well, I'm kind of here.
wake up, no,
Come all
just
the way
sleep
up to
anyway.
one song, you know? Come on.
Okay, another one is, Can't You See?
Today's 27th, right?
Okay, can't you
Jack
see?
Daniel's birthday.
G.A.D.
You're gonna catch a freight train down at the station, Lord. I don't care where it goes. Gonna climb a mountain, highest mountain. Jump off, ain't nobody gonna know. Can't you see? Can't you see what that woman been doing to me? Can't you see? Oh, can't you see what that woman been doing to me? I'm gonna find me a hole in the wall, crawl inside tonight. 'Cause my lady now, ain't no woman, no, never told me goodbye. Can't you see? Can't you see what that woman been doing to me? Can't you see? No, can't you see what that woman been doing to me? Buy me a ticket, far as I can. I ain't never coming back. Ride me a southbound, all the way to Georgia now, till that train run out at track. Can't you see? Can't you see what that woman been doing to me? Can't you see? Can't you see what that woman been doing to me?
Great job. How about a hand for Roy?
Well, thank you, Astro.
I finally nailed a couple.
Yeah, about time. About time.
I heard him do it.
I did it.
Oh, I heard you do it.
I made him do it. I couldn't help myself. It was like that.
So I met Roy by way of Paul Marshall, and he's very close to Paul's family, and they call him Frog over there. And he's a good guy, and thank you for all your support. That's right, it is. The whole thing's a family. You're right. We're one big family.
He's been Frog forever.
Yeah. Swan's gonna
Susie.
do one.
It's for your wife.
Susie.
There's a closet full of dresses that I bought you. And here's the keys to the new car in the drive. And before you leave our room, put on your best perfume. You're gonna do me wrong, do it right. Next time the phone rings, I won't answer it. I don't wanna be the fool I was tonight. I don't wanna know the truth. I don't want to see the proof. If you're gonna do me wrong, do it right. If you're gonna break my heart all to pieces, then walk right out that door and end it all tonight. Take off the wedding band when it takes you by the hand. If you're gonna do me wrong, do it right. and it takes you by the hand. If you're gonna do me wrong, do it right. If you're gonna do me wrong, do it right.
I love the way you do that song, Gary. It's a good feel. Nice job. JD, you sound
See, I
great,
got
man.
that in for you, Susie Q.
JD really sounds good tonight, doesn't he?
Oh, yes, he does.
That's right. He makes the whole band, puts it in a whole different place. A better place. Anyway, enough of that. Paul.
Yes, Carmen.
What do you got? What time is it? Oh, God, we only got 9 minutes, 10 minutes. We might go over 5 minutes. Who knows? What do you got? Bob Smith Toyota, folks. Carmine's Country Corner. 1 hour of fun music every Sunday, 6 to 7. Been doing it 4.5 years now. Wow. We ain't quitting yet. The engineers are talking.
Hey.
I think they're arguing about something. Okay, that's a good thing.
All right, we got a little Flatten Scruggs song dialed up here.
I love that song. Put it where you like it. Key G.
Sounds like a
Skip
chuck-
G.
chuck- chuck- chuck-
Key 1, baby. Key G.
We'll just vamp. One,
chuck- chuck-
two,
chuck-
one. In this world today where we are living, some folks say the worst of us they can. But when we are dead in our casket, they always slip some lilies in our hand. Well, won't you give me my flowers while I'm living? And let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then put some lilies in my hand. It's in this world, that's where we need our flowers. A kind word to help us get along. If you can't give me flowers while I'm living, please don't send them when I'm gone. Well, won't you give me my flowers while I'm living? And let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. Yeah, won't you give me my flowers while I'm living? And let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be some lilies in my hand. No, don't you try, slip some lilies in my hand.
Lilies in my hand.
Tell the ones you love that you love them. I love you.
I love you too, pal.
Blue and broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. And I never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted. Explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter how I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. Oh, blue and broken-hearted me. Holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken-hearted. I guess that's going to be it. We'll let these people off the hook. Thank you for watching Carmine's Country Corner. See you next week. Don't be late. And that's it. Great job, guys. Thank you.
Bye.
Good night, folks.